Hey guys, so we got a problem with the 12 valve Cummins. It will not start. It's got new batteries in it, brand new starter, less than 50 starts on it. And I just had the batteries tested, load tested. They're both good. I've torn this thing apart, tracing the ignition switch all the way back. The batteries, the starter to the ground, everything's good. Fuse and relay are good, and this is what it does. It's just one click and it doesn't do anything else. Let's see, here we go. That's it. That's all you get. But if you go underneath it and jump the starter with a screwdriver, it cranks over. So I'm leaning towards a bad starter, but let me know if anybody has any ideas. It is a 5-speed swapped automatic. I got the clutch pedal down there with the clutch pedal switch. What is that? Neutral safety switch. That's all rigged up too. I've checked the ground for that, and it's good. So let me know down below, and thank you.